Welcome to our channel. Recovering deleted files from your computer is often possible if you act quickly and follow the right procedures without overwriting the data you're trying to recover. Step 1. Stop using your computer immediately after realizing you've deleted important files, as any new data written to your drive may overwrite the deleted files permanently. Step 2. Check your recycle bin on Windows or trash on Mac first, as deleted files usually go there initially and can be easily restored with a simple right-click. Step 3. Search for backup copies by checking if you have cloud backups through services like OneDrive, iCloud, or Google Drive that may contain versions of your deleted files. Step 4. Use built-in recovery tools like File History on Windows or Time Machine on Mac if you've previously set up these backup systems. Step 5. Download a reputable file recovery program such as Recuva for Windows or Disk Drill for Mac, choosing free versions for basic recovery needs. Step 6. Install the recovery software on a different drive or external storage device to avoid overwriting the deleted files you're trying to recover. Step 7. Run a scan using your recovery software, selecting the specific drive or folder where your files were located before deletion. Step 8. Review the scan results carefully, looking for your deleted files, which may be displayed with their original names or partially corrupted names. Step 9. Recover files to a different location than where they were originally stored, preferably to an external drive to ensure safe recovery. Step 10. Once recovered, verify that your files open correctly and contain the expected content before deleting the recovery software. Your deleted files are now safely recovered and accessible again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.